What are Robux?
Robux are just like money, but you use them in games.
Why do I need Robux?
You need Robux so you can get some cool passes and change your avatar.
What can I do with Robux?
You can buy cool things that other people can't.
How much does it cost?
It costs anywhere between $5 and $200.
Where and how do I get some?
So if you go to Roblox, you'll see a little symbol at the top. You click that, and then you have a bunch of Robux options. You click one, you have to put in your information on your card, and then voila, you have Robux.
Okay.
What's up, guys? My name is Noah, and this over here is Cooper.
This over here is Noah.
We're playing Steal a Brain Rot, and I'm trying to get as many things as I can, because I'm trying to get as much Brain Rot gods as possible. I have 689 million, and the fun thing about this game is you get stuff, but then you get your money back.
That's basically my whole life right there.
So, all you have to do is teach you how to play. So, if you're new in the server, you'll get $100 bucks. Then you'll buy a new beanie pizza nini.
16, 15, 14.
And then whenever you buy the new beanie pizza nini, you will have to.
100,000. Probably.
Yes. I need to know where you will have to buy a new beanie pizza nini, and then once you get that, you'll get $1 per second. So $1 times 100 is 100. Then you'll get that money back. But then you'll have 175. Not 100, not 20, not 25, not 60, 175. So I'm over here trying to get the next Brain Rot god, probably legendary. But then, because I'm trying to help my friend get stuff back because his friend was really fake. I'm over here trying to get it, okay? Because it's it's really hard to get it. It's hard to get a Brain Rot, but I have a legendary. I have a Brain Rot. It's Tralala, Tralala, right? Tralala, Tralala.
I see it.
And
Joining right now?
when I have a bunch of cash, and I'm trying to get everything. But I can't miss out on a single opportunity. So if you want to do Steal a Brain Rot, you'll have to join somebody else, and I just found the next thing. And if you're playing on a computer, you'll press E to buy and everything else. They'll all tell you that. They'll all probably tell you that.
Oh, he's guarding it. He's guarding his Tralala. Hey, tell him about the kid.
I am. And then what happened, the reason why I'm trying to get as much money as I can is because there was this kid that robbed my friend. And that wasn't cool, so I told him like, oh, just take everything that I have, which is like a bunch of stuff, probably worth 100 million, probably worth a million.
What your friend did was messed up, bro.
But yes, and if you want to play Steal a Brain Rot, just know, join any server you want. You can join a private server, and that if you have friends on Roblox, we're playing the same game now. Okay, bye. My name is Noah Cooper, and this is Steal a Brain Rot.